Looking abroad now, Oxford University in Britain has launched human trials of a potential coronavirus vaccine, with the daunting task of making it available to the public later this year amid the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, there are more than 7 such vaccine trials around the world to find a vaccine. China and the United States are already underway, with Germany due to follow later this month.
It seems like the right thing to do to ensure that we can combat this disease and get over it a lot faster. I think you can never fully exclude any sort of potential risk, but I think you have to, walk in faith in these things. You have to trust in that the work has been done as best they can, and know that the cause is important. And so you just have to just walk in faith in that.
Well, I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support science, the scientific process, whenever I can. And since I don't study viruses, I felt a bit useless these days, so I felt like this is a very easy way for me to support the cause. Yeah, that's why I'm here, and I'm excited.
So there's a huge responsibility always in conducting clinical trials, but actually the key question is to make sure we have the integrity of these clinical studies to answer the question, so that if the vaccine does work, that we can be confident in that result, and that will then lead to further development and hopefully deployment of the vaccine. And if it doesn't work, or there's a safety question, that we can generate those data from the trials that we're running. So at the moment we have very small scale manufacturing for clinical trials, and there's a big technical challenge to upscale from that to give very large numbers of doses. And particularly when you think that if you were looking at a domestic requirement, there'd be millions of doses, tens of millions of doses, but actually this is a global problem, and we need hundreds of millions or billions of doses of vaccine.